I'm Genny Williams with Get a Real Estate Life, and I'm here with
Jason Cook with RE/MAX Advantage.
I wanted to share a success story. We absolutely love promoting properties, and we were thankful and grateful that we got to help Jason with one of his listings. Jason, you are going to tell the story better than I am.
Okay. I had a listing in Bluff Park, and tell me, agents, if this sounds familiar. They wanted to list it maybe a little bit higher than you were as the agent. So we game planned, okay, we'll list it at this, and then we'll drop the price. Well, sometimes you can kind of miss that window, that little hot window of the first 2 weeks, and then all of a sudden, what does it do? It sits, so it sat a little bit longer. It's on the market probably about 3 months, and I said, you know what? I'm going to lose this listing because they're not being reasonable. I can't sell it. I'm going to give it one last shot, one last marketing shot. Called Genny. I said, we need to do the listing blaster on this listing. I need to get as much exposure as I can on this. So fill out the paperwork. We do the listing blaster, I think on a Thursday, and I'm on a flight on Monday. The flight lands. I get a voicemail while I was in flight. Hey, I just sent you an offer on that house. And there you go. That's how listing blaster works, people. Started on Thursday, leads go out, leads start coming in, got the offer on Monday, worked it out, had it finalized by late Monday night. So listing blaster really works.
Doot, doot. So I wanted Jason to share his story with you, and so you wouldn't be thinking I was tooting our own horn. I am thrilled for you and thrilled for your seller, right?
And my wife is thrilled. So everybody is thrilled. And it was great. It was a great product, and it did wonders to get this thing sold.
Awesome. Well, thanks for sharing.
Absolutely.
You get the listing blaster today too to promote your property so we can get it under contract.